Looking at here?
This is one of the customer areas, and what we see here is one of the team meetings which is happening on a daily basis. This is the production, quality and AM meeting. So here they focus on deliveries, on any kind of quality issues and how to treat deviations in the process. So this is happening beginning of the day to make sure that we have a good alignment on the rest of the activities happening throughout the day.
So it happens in different parts of the production every day?
Yes, this is happening for each of the customers.
Yes.
So we have the customer one meeting, then we also have the operations meeting, and we have the managing director meeting, which is also happening on a daily basis.
Okay.
So we have 3-level meetings to make sure that we cascade from the lower level of the organization all the way to the top part of the organization.
Okay. Good. Let's see if we can have a look at some box build products.
Yes. So all the area here, you should be in the front.